very good morning to all my dear students. Today we will explore a new topic from lesson 4, Tick Tick Tick, from Mathemagic textbook. Before I introduce you to this new topic, let us get recapitulated with previous topics learned so far. We learnt about how to read time on a clock and also how to write the time in correct way. The next, we learnt about 12 hours and 24 hours clock format, how to read and write them, and also conversion from 12 hours format to 24 hours format. Am I right, students? Good. So I think I must have refreshed your brains now. Great. Let's move to the topic. So children, you must have seen a calendar hanging from a wall in your house, right? So what do we generally see on a calendar? Definitely our birthdays. So today topic is calendar, and under this topic the various points which we are going to focus on are as follows. First one, what is a calendar? Second, how to read it. Third, what is the date and how to write the date in different ways. Fourth, what are the important facts related to a calendar? So, when we are talking about a calendar, the first thing which comes in my mind is, what is a calendar? Or how can we describe it? So, the answer is, it tells us about the days, weeks and months of the year. So here you can see I have taken a page from a calendar. At the top of the page it is written July 2020. So July indicates the month and 2020 indicates the year. Just below that there is one horizontal line on which it is written the days of the week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. As we know, there are 31 days in the month of July. So these days or the numbers are arranged properly, like horizontally and vertically, in columns and rows. So the first day of the month starts from 1st and ends on 31st. So 31st becomes the last day of the month. And from this calendar we can find out there are 5 weeks. So in the month of July we can say there are 5 weeks. So this page gives us the complete view of the July month. So now you are familiar with different parts of a calendar. Let's talk about the date. So what is a date? A date consists of a day of the month, a month and a year. It means that a date is divided into 3 parts: the day, month and a year. Children, when you write a date, on the left side of the page, on the top, when you start a new verb, you write a date. So here I am going to teach you the different ways in which you can write the date. As you have seen here, suppose if today is 27/2020, so how you can write it? So the first way is 20/07/2020. In the second one, 20-07/2020, and the third way 20.07.2020. Means first number or the first part indicates the day. The second part indicates the month, the name of the month. or the number of the month, and last part indicates the year which is going on, right? So these are the different ways in which you can write the date. You can put the slash, you can put the dash, or you can put the dot. Similarly, you can write the dates in other two formats also. Like here you have seen 20 July 2020. So instead of the number, I have used the word July. And in the next example, you can see the July month is written before, after that the date is written and comma is put and 2020 is written. So these are the different ways in which you can write the date. Let's come to the last part of our topic, that is the facts about a calendar. So first fact is there are only 4 months which are having 30 days. And what are that months? They are April, June, September and November. The second point is only 7 months have 31 days. And what are that 7 months? They are January, March, May, July, August, October and December. So 1 month is left. Why that's so much special about that month? Yes, this month is having only 28 or 29 days in a year, and that month is February. So to remember these days in a month, or you can say how many days are there in that month, you can see the picture there. So with the help of that picture, you can just fold your hands and fingers, and the way in which it is shown, you can just remember the days in that particular month. Now let's see some more facts about a calendar. As we all know, 1 year has 12 months or 365 days, and in a month there are 4 weeks or 30 or 31 days. Now let's talk about a leap year. You might have heard about the leap year. So the facts about it are as follows. A year which can be divided by 4 is called a leap year, and it comes every 4th year. Now examples for this leap year, like you can see here, 1996, 2000, 2004, 2008, 2016. They are all leap years, and if you want to check, you can divide them by 4, and if the remainder is 0, then they are the leap years. Now, as I told you before, February has 28 days, but in the year which has a leap year, that year February has 29 days. So because of 1 day in February more, the leap year gets 366 days.